Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome Today in the daily newspaper on June the 26th. Yes, it's June the 26th. Yeah, June the 26th, 2021. Yes, we have here only one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. Well, actually, in this newspaper, there's also one regular Sudoku, and it's a quintuplet. Yes, quintuplet. But I've told you earlier, I won't do this or solve these kind of Sudokus, quintuplets, because it's taking me too long to solve those quintuplets, more than an hour. So I've dropped this a few months ago. So only today one regular Sudoku. And in this newspaper, there's also an additional with extra Sudokus, 7 extra Sudokus or puzzles. I will do 4 of them after this regular Sudoku. 4 of them, and tomorrow on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. I will do the other 3 puzzles. So let's get started with this baby, and this one will be number 29. No, it's not. 3006. Yes, 3006. And this one has 26 printed digits. So if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus in additional, this will be a 2 stars. And for a 2-star Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Yes. All right. So let me see. Let's get started. All right. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And now, let me see, I cannot continue with the 7. I see here 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row, so in the row between, the only place for the 4 should be there. 3 missing numbers. In the second row, one of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 in the second row should be here. 2 numbers left in the second row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and a 9. 8 and a 9 are missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Then the 8 in this row, the 8 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes, therefore no 4 in those 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 4. It should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see therefore no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. All right. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. All right. All right. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. I'm missing 1, 2, 3. Yes. Let me see. 3, 8. 3, 8, and the 5. 3 missing numbers in the third column. Those missing numbers are the 3 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 8 is missing. And look, we have a 3 and a 5 in this big square. So no 3 and a 5 in this box. The 3 and a 5 goes in those two boxes. As a pair, 3 and a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and 3 goes there. 1 box left in the third column for the number 8. All right. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay. Let me see. 7, 7, 7, 7. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. Then let me see. 2 and this 3 is missing. All right. 2 and 1. Yeah. 5, 5. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these two boxes. There are 5, no 5 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 5 should be there. Then 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 5. All right. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 2. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. All right. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in the last column for the number 3. Then 3. Uh, 1, 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see there an 8, no 8 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 1 and 9. 1 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 7. 1 box left in the third row for the number 2. Hey, I'm missing the 2 here. This cannot be a 1 and a 7. 1 and a 7, okay, but I'm missing the 2. What happened here? What is happening here? 1 and made a mistake. Double 1, so it's not 1 and a 7. 2 and a 7. It should be 2 and a 7. Yeah. So this is a 7. Mistake. And this should be a 2. 2 and a 7. Yes, 2 and the 7 are missing. Alright, so this is a 7. Don't make the mistake. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Lucky 7 number 4. Alright, so this should be a 2. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. And I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. How about 8, 8, 8, 8. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number here is the 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. There an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 1 number left in this column for the numbers. 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in the middle column for the number 3. 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 2. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 9. Yes, 9 is missing. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row, the 2 and 8. 2 and 8. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. All right, quicker than I have expected. Yes, because for 2 stars I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve, and I've solved this faster than 15 minutes. So is this really a 2 stars? Well, let me give this a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Sudoku Medium. I have a playlist for the heavy Sudoku, for the light Sudoku, for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudoku, quintuplets, tectonics, binaries, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel, subscribe, and you find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Saturday. We will meet again later in this evening for the other Sudokus in additional. Until then, thank you and bye bye for now.